She's bold, honest, and brave.
I have a whole community of women who I am mentoring, and I was also planning to travel all over the country.
And she's here to transform motherhood.
I'm very proud of me and my other co-creators that how we will change the game for the generation to come.
NewsX influencer A-List proudly recognizes Harpreet Suri for influence in parenting.
Hello and welcome. You're joining us on NewsX Influencer A-List. With us today is someone who's known as Mom Wears Prada on social media, but she's much more than that. She's a dynamic, empowered mother, but also a woman who is going to help us understand what it takes to be an influencer in today's day and age. Harpreet, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast, and a very warm welcome to NewsX.
I'm honored.
All right, Harpreet. So, we were just talking about how influencers and, the entire industry is underrated. And there's so much that still needs to be spoken about. As somebody who is in the industry, the highs and lows, the details of it, help us understand what are the issues that you faced when you started out?
I had no one to to the least tell me that, what is it all about? I just started out like opening a page with my child being born and just sharing my journey. And there was nothing formal about my page. Now you see it's all professionally done. And I didn't know where to start from or what to do. So I have started mentoring a lot of these young girls. That's why I have a whole community of women who I am mentoring, and I was also planning to travel all over the country to smaller cities, tier A, not even X, B and C and D, to meet these young influencers and train them how to be an influencer. Not that I'm, professionally qualified, but because I had no backing, no help, I thought I'll be that one mentor to at least help them. So yeah, it was really tough. It was this space was, so when I started, my in-laws also felt Instagram, like, what is that? Or my husband also said, what is this profession called Instagram?
Was it ever difficult, Harpreet, to, explain to your family that you were going to do this and you were going to do this with all your might as a full-time profession and not only just do it, but earn from it?
Yes, because they never understood. Nobody actually understood till about a year back, I'm being honest, like that early or that late, as you might call it. People felt the only job I had was opening gifts. Like we get these packages and my only job is to open a PR package. And I've had debates on that on people who felt that, wow, what a great profession. All that you have to is do and open a packet. But, the person who sends you that packet has so much of expectation from you to, make sure that the sales happen. There's so much that goes behind opening that package, which nobody understands, or behind a video, the whole ideation or putting the whole team together. So yes, there was a lot of hula-hoo around it. I left my corporate job for it. And my boss, I remember, told me that's the biggest mistake of your life that you're doing, that you're leaving. And I was heading corporate communications for one of the top malls of this country for 10 years. From opening it to making it number one, I was there with the entire journey. And I just felt that I was done there and I had to move on to something which, excited me every day. Yeah. So my husband, everybody had this question in their mind that why would I ever do such a big mistake? But I tell this to every single person, who I meet or who I mentor, that fly your wings. Apne, paron ko udne do. You have to take that leap of faith. You never know what comes by. And this happened. I became one of the top mom bloggers of the country. Yeah. Did I ever think this? No. So take that leap. Let people say what they have to say. Listen to your heart. If your heart says that, just do it. Kya hoga? Fail ho jaoge na? Koi baat. Fir uthenge. Fir kuch naya karenge.
Okay, so lots of interesting things that you've spoken about, and let's break this down for people watching. Firstly, you said that there's a lot that goes behind opening a package. Nobody understands it. Help us understand. Give us an interior into what it's like when an influencer such as yourself gets a package from an XYZ company. What do you do then?
So it starts from the brand reaching out, and out of 10 suppose queries I get in a day, I say no to 8 because I feel that I cannot justify the product, or maybe my kids will not use it. My audience doesn't relate to it. So first we segregate that what is coming our way. And people find it snooty at times that, and I write a lot on my gram about it, that guys, don't judge me if I don't take your package. I'm not able to justify your product. And then those 2 packages that I take, I feel fully responsible for those 2 packages. And then, we do a whole setup. And like yesterday, I did stories on a book. So it has to be very, and my, your stories cannot just be aaj uthi book khol diye. There was a beautiful book of inspiration I was talking about. So there's a whole set of stories that go behind it. So I'm talking to my son first. I'm talking about his what he wants to do, what our conversations are like, and then I introduce that book subtly. That this is the book that I'm talking about, and that's when I discuss whatever the product is, and then. In my heart, I wait for the brand to write to me that how did it fare? If I share the messages with you, I always put them up. The impact these, stories have on the audience, it's overwhelming. That's why you have to be very, very careful of what you pick up. I tell this to all influencers who I'm mentoring, that be very careful of what you're picking up, because your audience is believing in you and buying that, making that purchase.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a lot of work.
Okay. And then the next thing that I want to talk to you about, Harpreet, is the fact that you're one of the top mom bloggers in the country, right? One of the top mom influencers. But there's, of course, a lot to the content that you put up that is different from you only being a mother, right? Do you ever have a difficult time when people, let's say, comment on the fact that, you're spending so, because I know that there's a lot of backlash. The social media is an unforgiving place, right? So a lot of people have a lot of comments about how, you're a mother, but you're an influencer. Oh my God, is this okay? How do you respond to that, Harpreet? Is it ever heartbreaking?
You mean they say that I don't spend time with my kids?
In a sense, yes, a lot of people are also questioning the way that, you're conducting yourself, etc. Because I know that there are some influencers out there that are complaining of the fact that they're mothers and they're being judged by the content that they're putting up. Is that hard?
But why are the hair so perfect? I get to get a lot of times. I manage it, dude. I manage my work, and I always believe in writing back to my troller. I don't believe in blocking the troller. I remember, I did something for alcohol some time back, and with my husband, I was having a drink and I was just talking about it. That, why is it so important? So I talk about mommyhood, to couple relationships, to being, how is it to be a daughter-in-law? There's so much that goes into a married woman, and I talk about all those aspects. And I was discussing about having a drink with my husband. And one person wrote to me that, and a long message that person wrote to me, that how I'm such a good influencer, but by doing all of, introducing this, I'm going to spoil the generation and X, Y, Z, and, women who look up to me. I took that screenshot and I put it up on my story, and the whole world, I know how many women wrote about it, that why is it so wrong for a woman to have alcohol? Why can't I not have a drink with my husband? So everybody wrote about it, and I put all those stories back on my stories, sharing with that one person and everybody else, whoever thinks this, that, why you want to put a woman in a box? Why can't a mother, especially a mom, have a, day off and have a drink or have a wine with my husband? So yes, I do get these trolls, and I answer back. I don't hold back. They should know that nothing can stop my spirit.
Okay. So then, Harpreet, the next question that I want to ask you is, and this might be a little personal, but as far as, earnings are concerned, you said that you quit your corporate job. Now, a lot of people out there would say, oh my God, the biggest mistake, how can you drop a corporate job to become an influencer? What is it like, being employed as a full-time corporate employee versus being an influencer? Do you earn enough?
I wish I knew, that so everybody, it's so funny. So I used to work with influencers, and I was a PR head. So I worked with the journalists and the PRs and all the influencers. And everybody told me that you're cut to be an influencer. What are you doing in a job? And I never had confidence. So I always said, no. Who will follow me? I won't have any following. It'll be so embarrassing. How we just want to be known and be popular and not just be one of those influencers. So I was always very underconfident about it. But I wish someone to told me what I tell people today, that fly your wings, take that leap. मुझे नहीं पता था, तो I think 16 years I've done a job, and once I quit it and once I tried this, it just liberated me. And yes, I'm earning as much or much more maybe from what I was doing. But then it's not for everybody. मुझे ना ये भी सबको समझाना है. Don't think that in a day you will start earning and so you put your content out and brands are running. No, it's a struggle. Suppose there are 1 lakh influencers. I'm just giving just a number. Out of that, you're one. You're such a minuscule thing in this whole universe of influencers. How you rise above and how it's all about content. I always said everybody, no blue ticks, no followers, nothing works. It's about your content, how different your content is. Currently, I'm working on a project where I'm finding out influencers who are under 5,000. And I want to create something with them. Like we co-create a property together. So I try to, because nobody did it for me, but I want to do it for everybody. So I'm finding out young kids, who are influencers. Little kids are influencers today. So I'm finding them. I'm finding grandparents who are influencers, and create some properties with them. So yeah, jisko bolna hai, jo marzi bole. I'm very happy with what I did, and I tell everybody, do it. Believe in your gut.
Okay. And okay, so then Harpreet, before we wrap this up, and it's been a very interesting conversation, but we're running out of time, unfortunately. So before we wrap this up, Harpreet, you have 2 young kids. If tomorrow, let's say, and you were just telling me, right, that your son is interested in becoming a YouTuber, do you think that you being an influencer is going to, in fact, or, a lot of other mothers like you, a lot of other parents like you, in fact, that are influencers, do you think that they're going to change the whole dynamics of an entire generation when it comes to job opportunities and the way that they think?
When my son first told me, because I was telling him that, he's always editing videos. And I'm telling him, and he always teaches me how to edit. And he's just 10. And I asked him, that, what do you keep doing? He's like, Mom, I want to be a YouTuber. And for that, I have to, hone my skills for editing. Yeah. It took me a while to understand that, not a doctor, no engineer, no businessman, nothing, none of that. YouTuber. But trust me, the influencers earn much more than that. And it's the life that I live today is I get up in the morning, I decide what I want to do for myself. If I don't want to do something, I'm my own boss. It's so funny. Earlier, I should get up with messages from my boss, what I have not done, where I missed it, what's my mistake. And today I get up with the most amazing messages from my followers and how inspirational I am for them. So if my son wants to pick it up, I'm going to go all out and back him up. And every other child, मुझे बहुत messages आते हैं. अभी भी एक आया हुआ है that I've heard that you help young influencers. Can I I do virtual meetups. Can I be in your virtual meetup to, learn more? So yes, I think we are going to change this whole system. And I'm very proud of me and my other co-creators that how we will, change the game for the generation to come.
Absolutely. And more power to you, Harpreet. Thank you so much for being with us on NewsX Influencer A-List, and keep shining.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.